Hello everyone. In this video I am going to explain Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Paper 3 Core 058033 paper May June 2024. So let me start. Question number 1. 40 football players vote on the color of new shirts. The result for red, yellow and green are shown in the bar chart. So there are 40 football players and they are voting for their new shirts, and the new shirts are in these 5 colors they are planning for. So all of them were said to vote for which color they prefer. So the 3 colors are represented on the bar chart: red, yellow and green. Red are selected by 11 people, yellow is selected by 6 people, green color is selected by 8 people who are these football players out of 40. Then blue and orange is missing. Twice as many football players vote blue than vote orange. This is the question 1, and they are saying complete the bar chart. So here first we need to add these 3 number of people, these 3 colors who have selected. The color selected people, like red is selected by 11, so 11 plus yellow is selected by 6 people, 6 plus green is selected by 8 people, 8. Find out this total. 11 plus 6 plus 3 8 is 25 people. So 25 people already selected 3 different colors out of 40. So from 40 subtract 25. How much will be left with? 15 people. So 15 are still left and they need to vote for blue and orange. Okay. So now this is done. Let number of football players who selected orange be X, because they are saying twice as many football players vote blue than vote orange. So who voted for orange, let us take as X. So who voted for blue will be how much? 2x. Right? Now 2x plus x is 2x plus x. That means the people who voted for blue plus the people who voted for orange is 15. Now using this we can find out the value of x. 3x is 15. That means x is 15 divided by 3, which is 5. So number of people who voted for orange is 5. So what is the double of 5? 10 will be for blue. So use your rulers to complete this graph. So for blue, let us take 10, up to 10. So this is up to 10. Then this is up to, for orange it will be up to 5. This is the complete bar graph. For question number 1 we have answered. Now write down the mode. Mode means we have to find out the the color selected by maximum number of football players. So which color they selected? Maximum. This is 11, right? So 11 is the maximum number here. So what is the mode? Mode is red. Question number 1 and 2 is done in A. Now B. 40 hockey players vote on the color of new shirts. The table shows the result. Complete the pie chart. So this is the table given. 40 hockey players are there. Now they are voting for the colors white, grey and pink, and the frequency is 21, 12 and 7. we need to complete the pie chart. To complete the pie chart, we need what? We need the angle, sector angle. So for sector angle, we need to find out the angle there by taking the values, add these frequencies, 21 plus 12 plus 7. This is total is 40 people here. Already it has been given in the question also. 40. Now out of 40, 21 people voted for white. So for white, the sector angle will be 21 divided by 40 into 360. Do that. 21 by 40 into 360. 189. Then take 12 out of 40 for grey color. This is for white. 12 by 40 into 360 will be, you can do the easier way also. 40 times 1, 40 times 9 is 360. So just do 12 into 9, you can get the answer. 108. This is for grey. And next is 7 by 40 into 360, which will be 40 times 1, again 40 times 9, 7 9 the 63, which is for pink. So here we got the sector angles. Use your protractor, align the protractor's 0 with this line and take 189 degrees. Maybe it will be something like this. 189. Let us take like this. This is 189. Then 108. 108 will be maybe something. 108 will be maybe like this, and this is 63. Okay students, if you want to see my video for how to draw the pie chart using the protractor, I will put the link in the description. Not with the exact question, some other question, but you will know how to draw the pie chart. So please do look into that link and find out. If you still want the same video, then please do comment. I will make and upload it and give you the link also in the description. So this is 189 degrees, this is 108 degrees, and this is 63 degrees. Write down the color also. This is for white, this is for grey, and this is for pink. This is the way you can finish your pie chart by finding the angles first and then drawing them using your protractors. Question number 2. Work out the percentage of hockey players who vote grey. Now we need to find the percentage. So number of hockey players voted for grey is 12 out of 40. So multiply that with 100, you will get the percentage. So 2 times 2, 2 times 5. 2 times 1, 2 times 6. You can cancel out and find the answers like this. 30. So 30% of people were voted for grey. This is then question number 2. Now question 2. 1 is completed. Question 2. Here is part of the timetable for buses from station to the city center. All buses take the same time to travel from the station to the city center. Now station, the timing is given 9:24 and 11:06. City center, this bus is reaching at 10:03. So now we have to write the bus which is leaving at 11:06 will reach at what time. So find the time gap, complete the table means we have to complete in this way. Question number 1. 9:24 to 10:03, what is the time gap? Okay, so just find out using your time duration way. That is 9:24 is 9 hours 20 minutes, 24 minutes, and to up to 10 o'clock 24 minutes. After 9, 24 minutes are passed, and how many minutes are still there? If you want to see that, just check by doing 60 minus 24. So 10 and 5, 6 and 3, 36 minutes are there to go to 10 o'clock. Then it is 10:03. So 36, add 36 plus 3. You will get the complete duration. So that is 39 minutes duration here. Now same thing, now from 11:06 to what time it is 39 minutes. Check. When 11 and 6 minutes are already passed. For 6 you add, for this what you add 6 plus 39. 6 plus 39 will be 9 plus 6 15, 1 carried over 45. So it is 11:45. 11:40, sorry. 11:45 is the final time to reach the station, city center, sorry. This is the answer. Question number 2. Beth walks 4 kilometers from her home to the station at a speed of 6 kilometers per hour. She wants to travel on the 9:24 bus. Work out the latest time she can leave her home. So now she has to leave to take this bus, which is at 9:24, and she is walking 4 kilometers from her house, and the speed of her walking is 6 kilometers per hour. She wants to travel on this bus. So how soon she has to leave so that she can come to this bus? So now to 9:24, first of all, how much time she is taking to travel 4 kilometers? Let us find out. So time is equal to distance by speed, which is distance is 4 and speed is 6. So if you cancel out with the 2, you get 2 by 3. 2 by 3, sorry, this is time. 2 by 3 hours it is taking for her. 2 by 3 hours. Okay, so now we have to minus that much from 9:24. So find out 2 by 3 hours is how many minutes, and 2 divided by 3 is 0.6. Okay, so if I want to convert that into minutes, I will have to do 2 by 3 divided by multiplied by 60. It's 40 minutes. 2 by 3 multiplied by 60 is 40 minutes. So it is 40 minutes. So it will take for her to walk to the station 40 minutes, and how soon she has to leave. So it is from 9:24, if you have to subtract 40 minutes. So now 24 minutes are subtracted from 9, it will be 9 o'clock. From 40, if I remove 24 minutes, 40 minus 24, 10 minus 4 is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1, 16 minutes are left. Now 16 minutes we need to go back from 9 to, so it will be 8, 60 minus 16, 4 4. So 8:44 she has to leave. So she has to leave at 8:44. She will, if she leaves at 8:44, she will be reaching the station at 9:24. So the latest time she can leave her home is 8:44. Okay, that was in 24-hour clock. So we have to write it as 0844. 40 minutes. 40 minutes backward from 9:24 is 8:44. Question number 3. 45 seats on the bus are occupied. This is 33/5 of the total number of seats on the bus. Work out the total number of seats on the bus. So for this question, you need to take the total number of seats to be x. So total number of seats is equal to x. So now, to find out the value of x, we'll do 3/5 into x is 45. So this gives you x is equal to 45 multiplied by the reciprocal of this. When you bring on the other side, it becomes the reciprocal. So 3 times 1, 3 times 15 is 45. So 5 into 15 is how much? Find out. 5 into 15. 75 seats were there. This is the answer. Question number B now. Beth buys 2.4 kg of onions costing $1.25 per kilogram and 4.5 kg of potatoes. The total cost is $11.64. Find the cost of 1 kg of potatoes. So in this question, you have to make note that 2.4 kg weight of onions is given and price per kilogram is also given. But whereas for potatoes, the weight of potatoes is given, but price per kg we need to find out. And then they gave the total cost for both onions and potatoes. So first we'll find out separately how much does onion costs. Okay, cost of cost of 2.4 kg onions is equal to 2.4 multiplied by 1.25. Find out 2.4 into 1.25 is 3. So that means $3. This $3. Cost of onions was $3. Now the cost of potatoes will be how much? Cost of potatoes will be 11.64 minus $3. 11.64, sorry. 11.64 11.64 minus $3 is equal to 8.64. Now this is the cost of potatoes, but we need to find per kg. 1 kg potatoes is how much? So cost of 1 kg potatoes is equal to 8.64 divided by 4.5. So do it. $1.92. So cost of 1 kg of potatoes is $1.92. Question number B is done. Question number C now. One day 140 people enter a shop. The ratio of adults to children is 3:2. Find the number of adults who enter the shop. So whenever such question is given, you will take this ratio and take a number constant, the common number to be multiplied with these two numbers, and when you add these two numbers you will get 140. So let the number of adults and children be 3x and 2x respectively. So therefore 3x plus 2x will be 140. This gives you 5x is 140. Then x will be 140 divided by 5. What is 140 divided by 5? 28. So number of adults will be 3 into 28. Into 3, 84. So this is the answer. Question number 2. In C, the price of a television in this shop is $624. 37.5% of this price is profit. Calculate the profit on this television. So percentage is given, we need to just find the profit. So 37.5 by 100, because it is percentage, multiply the original number, which is the price of television. Find out 37.5 by 100 into 624 is 234. This is the profit when they are selling this television. Question number 3. The price of a phone in this shop is $420. This price increases by 12%. Calculate the new price. So the 12% increase has happened in the price of the phone. So original price of the phone multiplied by 1 plus 12 by 100. This is a increase, percentage increase, right? 12% increase. So the new price will be, find out, 420, open the brackets, 1 plus 12 by 100 is equal to 470.4. $470.4. That is the new price of the television. So dollars should be written with 2 digits decimal, don't write 1 digit. So 470.40 will be the answer for this. Question number 3. That grid shows a trapezium. On grid, draw an enlargement of the trapezium with scale factor 3. So now we need to enlarge this trapezium with scale factor 3. Center is not given, so you have to draw accordingly. Okay, so the scale, let us count these straight lines which are aligning on the squares. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the large trapezium should have 6 3s are 18 boxes covered. Okay, if I take this as center, suppose if this is the center of enlargement, so the coordinate, the first coordinate, it is one box up, one box right. So now I need to take 1 2 3 boxes up and 1 2 3 boxes right. So no need to take the center here, we will have to only enlarge it. So take any place here. Suppose if I take this as the starting point, this coordinate. Now from here, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 6 3s are 18. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Only 14 are there, so you have to take the center, that means. Okay, so this is the center and we'll start from here. This is the coordinate. From here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 till here your line should be. Okay, then next other coordinate, we will see this coordinate. It is 3 boxes up and 2 boxes right. So you have to take 3 3s are 9 boxes up and 2 3s are 6 boxes right. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 boxes up and 6 boxes right. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Connect them. This is run the line. Now you see that this is 2 boxes, so 2 3s are 6 boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then join from here to here. This is the enlargement for this given trapezium. You can also check here, see these 2 coordinates. This is 3 boxes left and 2 boxes up, so it should be 9 boxes left and 6 boxes up. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 9. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's done. This question is done. The enlargement is done. Question number A. Now B. The diagram shows 4 triangles A, B, C and T and a point P on the grid. Write down the coordinates of point P. The coordinates of point P are, when you see here, this is 4 on x-axis and 3 on y-axis. So 4 3. Coordinates of P. Question number 2. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle T onto triangle A. Now when you see triangle T and A, its left and right sides are getting flipped. So it is definitely reflection. Okay, and reflection line should be exactly in between. So let us first count the whole other between boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6th box it is. So now take 3 boxes here, will be the line of reflection, 3 boxes. So this is x is equal to minus 1. So write down reflection in x is equal to minus 1 line. This is done. Question number B. Triangle T onto triangle B. So when you see these 2 triangles now, triangle T and B, it is getting shifted, that is replaced from same position, same alignment, but got the different place. So it's a translation, but translation you have to check the vector also. So let us check. We'll take this coordinate, the vertices 1 2 3 4 5 boxes down, 1 2 3 boxes right. So 3 and minus 5. That will be the translation. 3 minus 5. So this is also done. C, question C, triangle T onto triangle C. Now this triangle and this triangle. So when you see this, you are able to get that the alignment is like upward, up to down, like down part has come up and up part has come down. From here, this has come down, and even left and right has changed. So that means it is rotation. When you rotate an object, it will be like that. So now to get the rotation, I need when you know that it is rotation, you need to find the center of rotation. So you just join these two corresponding vertices of these two triangles, and when you see, it is exactly passing through origin and it is exactly in between this line. So you can definitely find out that this is the center of rotation, that is origin. No need to, there is no other opinion here, because it's exactly passing through the origin, which is in the middle, exactly middle of this line. If you take another two vertices, suppose, see, these two vertices, if they are joining, again it's passing through origin, and that also looks half and half here. So no need to do that compass part thing here, it is easy to find out for this. And the rotation is, when you join the two vertices, what is the angle? Now when you join the center of rotation with one vertex and the same corresponding vertex, what is the angle between these two lines? When you see, this is 180 degrees. So it is 180 degrees rotation. Center of rotation is 0 0 origin. Just write that. And when it is 180 degrees, we don't need the direction. Rotation center 0 0 180 degrees is the angle of rotation. Question number 3 is done. Question 3 is done. Question 4 now. Write down the value of the 8 in the number 39,829. So the value of 8 in this number, when you see, this is in hundreds place, because 39829. So this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is hundreds place. So this is in hundreds place. So 8 hundreds means how many? What is the value of that? 8 hundreds will be 800. So answer is 800. Students, while editing, this happened, so just ignore this. This is the blank which was get selected. Okay, question number B now. Write down all the factors of 18. Factors of 18. Whenever you write the factors of any given number, you will start writing from the table 1. So 1 and the number itself are the first two factors. Then check with 2 and 18, you have 2 table, 18 is there, so 2 into 9 is 18, so 2 9. Then 3 also you check, one by one you need to check. So 3 6 is 18, so 3 and 6. Then after 3 and 6, if I check with 4, there is no 18, with 5 no 18, with 6 yes 3 6 3s are. So the repetition, when it comes, you have to stop and finish that. That is the thing for you, that the factors are all done. So all the factors of 18 are 118, 2 9, 3 6. Question number C. show that 57 is not a prime number. No, we need to show that this number is not a prime number. So for that, you have to divide this number with the factor which is divisible. So when you check this number, first we will check with 2. So in 2 you will see that whether it is even or odd. So no, this is not an even number, so 2 is not a factor. Now let's go to the third, number 3. So 3, whenever you check the divisibility, you need to add these two digits and check the total and see that this total is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, it is divisible. Sorry, 3 4s are 12. So 3 4s are 12. So if the sum is divisible, then this number is also divisible. So that means this is not a prime number, it is divisible by 3. So you can just write 57 divided by 3 is equal to, find out the answer. What is 57 divided by 3? 19. So 19 is the answer. Therefore this is not a prime number. Therefore 57 is not a prime number because it is having a factor 3 and 19, having the factors 3 and 19. Okay, question number D. Root x is equal to 64. Find the value of x. Okay, this is from indices, students. When root x is given, what is root x? Root x is x raised to 1 by 2, right? So we'll do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, the root will be gone and x is left out, right? So root x whole square, 64 square. So root x square is x. 64 square you find out using calculator. 64 square, 4096. 4096. So this is the value of x. Question number D is done. Question number E. The first multiple of 40 that is greater than 620. So now we have to find out the first multiple of 40 which is greater than 620. So now we'll see now the multiples of 40 more than this number. You have to see now. First let me do with 10 because 10 is the easier number. You know what is it is 400. So you should go 11s are 4 in 14 to 11, 12. What is 14 to 12? 480, 13 and so on. So just check with 40 into 13, 40 into 12 also you check, it's 480. So find for 13, 520. Find for 14, 560. Find with 15, 600. We are near to 620. Now we'll do the next number. We will get it. 640. Find the first multiple of 40 that is greater than 620. So the multiple of 40 which is greater than 620 is 640. 40 into 60. So 40 into 16 is 640. So write down 640 is the answer here. That is the multiple. Question number F. Find the reciprocal of 2 by 3. Reciprocal of any number, any fraction is interchanging the denominator and numerator. So 3 by 2. Question number 4 is done. No students, question number 4 is not completed. G, H, I is still remaining. Find the fraction 1 4G it is. Find a fraction between 1 by 5 and 1 by 4. Now finding the fraction between two given fractions is, you will make a common denominator for both. So now if I do 1 by 5 into 4 I get 4 by 20. And then same thing, I want to make the denominator of 1 by 4 also as 20. So 1 into 5 into 5 into 20. Oh sorry, 4 into 5. 4 into 5 will be 5 by 20. Okay, so we are not getting a next number. Let us make a bigger denominator. Let us take not 20, we'll take it as 40. Okay, 1 into 8 by 5 into 8 is 8 by 40. Then same way 1 by 4 into 10, 1 into 10 is 10 by 40. So now the fraction between these two, 8 by 40 and 10 by 40 is 8 by 40, 9 by 40 and 10 by 40. So it can be 9 by 40. That is the fraction between these two. Question number H. Write down an irrational number with a value between 9 and 10. Now we need to write an irrational number, and it should be in between 9 and 10. So now the number 9, you can take any number with decimals, having decimal places with non-repeating and non-terminating decimals. Non-repeating, non-terminating. So let us take 9.01 00001 0001 0001 like this. You can write any of this number. That is the irrational number. After 9 it is, and it is before 10. 9.01 001 0001 and 00001. This is the irrational number. Question number I. Find the highest common factor of 72 and 180. Highest common factor of 72 and 180. So find out the factors of 72 first. 72. Find the factors using the prime factorization. 2 3s are 2 6s are, 2 1s are 2 8s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. So this is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Then do 180 prime factorization. 2 9s are 18, 2 45s are 90. 2 is not there here, no, 2 won't be there, it is an odd number. So 5 9s are 45, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. The HCF will be highest common. Highest common is, now take what are common, first let us underline. This is 2 or 2 2s are common, 2 3s are common. 1 2 and 1 5, this is not common in these two. So 2 2s, 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 will be 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. This is the common factor, highest common factor for this given two numbers. Question number 4 is done. Question number 5. A. Measure angle K. Okay students, for this question now you need to write, find the angle which is less than 180 degrees or less than 360 degrees. So you have to find out this angle using your protractor. So keep your protractor aligning to any one of the line like this. Suppose this is the 0 of the protractor. So align in this way. No, sorry, it should be not like this. Now keeping your protractor at the center of the protractor should be here, so it should be something like this, and aligning 0 like this, and check the degrees. So here it is 34 degrees. I am checking the answer and writing. If I am putting the video for this in the description, you can watch it. Okay, so when you get the angle here as 34 degrees, subtract that from 360, you will get the angle K. 360 minus 34 is equal to, because this is complete angle, right? So this part is removed, the value is the value of K you will get. Find out that using calculator. 360 minus 34 is equal to 326. So this is angle K. Measure of angle K is 326. Write down the mathematical name for this type of angle. Now what is the mathematical name? It's a reflex angle, not obtuse. It's reflex because it's less than 360 and more than 180. The diagram shows a pair of parallel lines and a straight line. Angle ABCD and X, which is this, are labeled. Complete the statements. Angle dash is an alternate angle to X. The alternate angle of X is this C, which is inside and on the other side of the transversal. So angle C is alternate to angle X. Angle dash is corresponding to angle X. Corresponding is on the one side of the transversal. This is inside the parallel lines, one should be outside. So D is the corresponding to angle X. Question AB is done. Question C now. The diagram shows a parallelogram. Find the value of Y. We need to find the value of Y here. So in a parallelogram, the adjacent angles are always equal to 180 degrees when you add them. Sum of adjacent angles. So Y plus 42 will be 180 degrees. Y plus 42 is equal to 180 degrees. Y will be 180 minus 42. Find out. 180 minus 42. 138. 138 degrees is the value of Y. Question number C is done. D now. There is a circle with a triangle in it. A, B and C lie on a circle center O. Center is O here and A, B, C are on the circle. Find angle ACB. Now ACB we need to find out. So AOC is passing from the center. So this is the diameter and this is a semicircle. So angle in semicircle is always what? In circle theorem you have learnt 90 degrees. So if this is 90, then we can find out this angle ACB. So sum of all the three angles is 180. Subtract from it the sum of these two given angles. You will get the angle ACB. Find out. 180 minus 17 plus 90. 73. So angle ACB is 73 degrees. Question E. The interior angle of a regular polygon is 171 degrees. Work out the number of sides of the polygon. So to get the number of sides of the polygon, we need to know the exterior, each exterior angle. That will be easy to find out the number of sides. So exterior angle will be always the difference between exterior angle, difference of 180 by minus the interior angle, which is 180 minus 171 is 9. So 9 degrees is the exterior angle. So therefore number of sides will be 360 divided by 9, which is 360 divided by 9 will be 40. So it is a 40 sided polygon. Question number F. Calculate the value of x. There is a right angled triangle given, and the opposite of this angle side is measurement given to us 7.4, and the hypotenuse of this triangle is given to us. When opposite and hypotenuse is known, we will take sine values. The sine of the angle, you will get the angle value because we know opposite and hypotenuse values. So sine x is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. So x will be, applying sine inverse both the sides, we get sine inverse of 7.4 by 18.5. Find out. So to find out the sine inverse, press shift key, sine inverse, take fraction button, numerator you type 7.4, and denominator put the down arrow mark, press the down arrow and type 18.4, then press the side arrow, close the bracket. So this is the answer. You get 23.5781. So 23.57 can be rounded to 23.6. So 23.57 is the answer. So if I round to one decimal place, oh sorry, I've written wrong. .57 degrees will be rounded to 23.6, the angle. Yes. Okay, so this is done. Question number F is done. Question number 5 is completed. Question number 6 now. In a sport, teams are given points using the formula number of points is equal to number of wins into 4 plus number of draws into 2 plus bonus points. One team has 15 wins, 7 draws and 6 bonus points. Calculate the total number of points for this team. Okay, so you need to use the formula. Yeah, nothing is very difficult here. The number of wins is what? 15. So 15 multiplied by 4 plus number of draws into 2, 7 draws multiplied by 2 plus bonus points are 6. Find this in calculator. 15 into 4 plus 7 into 2 plus 6, 80. So this is the number of points this team has got. Question number B. Solve x by 2 is equal to 18. So using the transposing method, if I bring 2 onto the right hand side, it gets multiplied to 18. So what is 2 into 18? 36. So x value is 36 here. Question number C. Solve 4x plus 12 is equal to 18. Again this is linear equation solving. 4x, bringing 12 onto the other side, it is added on the left hand side. On the right hand side it gets subtracted. So 4x is equal to 18 minus 12 is 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 4. Find out. 6 divided by 4, 3 by 2, which is 1.5. So x value is 1.5. Question number C is done. Question number D. Expand and simplify. You have to expand, then simplify it. Okay, so 6 multiplied in brackets 3x minus 4. So you have to multiply 6 with 3x also and 6 with minus 4 also. And the same way 5 multiplied by x and 5 multiplied by minus 2, but add them. So 6 into 3x, then minus 6 into 4 plus 5 into x minus 5 into 2. 6 3s are 18x minus 24 plus 5x minus 10. Like terms, these are x terms, they are like terms. So 18 plus 5 is 23x. Minus 24 minus 10 is minus 34. So this is the simplified thing of given expression. 23x minus 34. Question number E. Capital T is equal to 5r minus 6. Make r the subject of this formula. So to make the subject of the formula as r is on the right hand side, so flip the equation first. So when you flip it, r comes on the left hand side, t goes to the right hand side. Now transposing method, when you use bring 6 onto the right hand side, it gets added to t. R is, if you keep only r and bring 5 onto the right hand side, it is multiplied on left hand side, it gets divided on right hand side. So it is capital T plus 6 by 5. Question number E is done. F. Bo has a green bag and a blue bag. Each bag contains some marbles. There are two bags, green and blue. Each bag contains some marbles. The green bag has x marbles and there are 5 times as many marbles in the blue bag than in green bag. So okay, x is this and blue bag has 5 times, that is 5 into x marbles. Green bag has x marbles. There are 5 times as many marbles in blue bag than in green bag. Bo now adds 6 marbles to each bag. Now he added 6 marbles to each bag. There are now 4 times as many marbles in the blue bag than in the green bag. Now after adding 6, it became 4 times of this. So now 5x plus 2 became what? This became 4 times of x plus 6. Use this information to write down an equation and solve it to find the value of x. So now we'll write the equation using the same thing now. So 5x plus 6 is number of marbles in the bag B after adding 6 marbles. Then this is 4 times of marbles in the green bag. So that is x plus 6. Now we have got this equation. Solve, first of all simplify it. So 4x minus plus 24. Bring x terms onto the left hand side and bring constant to the right hand side, minus 6. 5x minus 4x is x. 24 minus 6 is 18. So x value is 18. It is solved. Question number F is done. Answer is 18. Question number 7 now. Lee spins a fair 6-sided spinner numbered 1 to 6. On the probability scale, draw an arrow to show the probability that spinner lands on the number 2. Now there are 6 numbers on a spinner, 1 to 6, and it is landing on 2. This is a spinner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should be drawn equally. It came unequal to me. Let me draw like this, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So landing on 2 will be the equal probability. So it should be 1 out of 6. This is the probability. 1 of 6. 1 by 6. Okay, now this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In these 6 parts, 1 6 is this one. Okay, 1 out of 6. Find the probability that the spinner lands on a prime number. Now what are the prime numbers in this? 2, 3, 5. 3 prime numbers. So 3 out of 6, that is half. 3 out of 6 is half. Let me write here. 3 out of 6, which will be 1 by 2. So half. Find the probability that the spinner lands on the number 7. So is there a number 7 in the spinner? No. So it is 0. A bag contains 3 red balls and 12 green balls. Lee picks a ball at random. Find the probability that it is green ball. So now total number of balls are what here? 3 plus 12. Total balls are 12 plus 3. 15 balls. Probability of green ball will be 12 out of 15. When you simplify with 3, dividing with 3, you get 4 by 5. So this is the probability of the green ball. So simplest form, the answer is 4 by 5. Question number E. Lee spins 2 fair-sided spinners, each numbered 1 to 4. The two numbers are multiplied to give the score. Okay, these are the scores. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, and so on. Multiplying, these are the outcomes. Find the probability that the score is an even number. Now we need to check the even numbers out of this. So even numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 even numbers out of this 16 numbers. See, 4 into 4, 16. Total outcomes are 16 and the probability of even numbers is 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 out of 16. So 12 out of 16 will be 2 6 are, 2 8s are, 2 3s are, 2 4s are. So 3 by 4 is the probability. An integer. An integer is, all these numbers are all integers. So it is 16 by 16. All the 16 numbers are integers. So 16 by 16. 1 whole. And at least 10. Now at least 10 means it should be 10 and more than 10. So what are those values which are more than 10? There is no 10 here. At least 10 should be it should be more than 10. So 12, 12, 16. There are only 3 values which are more than 10 here. So 3 by 16 is the answer. Question number C is done. Question number D now. A bag contains red discs and blue discs. The probability that a disc picked at random is red is 1 by 5. Lee picks the disc at random, notes its color and then replaces it in the bag. She then picks another disc at random. So this is the condition here. The disc is selected, then it is again replaced back into the bag. Again the new random disc is being picked. So that probability for red is given. Now we need to fill all these blanks. So if 1 by 5 is the red disc, the remaining probability out of 1 will be 4 by 5, because out total 5 out of that 1 is gone. So numerator will be 4 by 5. Same way for second disc also it will be 1 by 5 red and 4 by 5 blue, 1 by 5 red and 4 by 5 blue. So this is the answer for the first one, question number 1. Now work out the probability that both the discs she picks are blue. Now both the disc blue, first and second should be blue. So this, in this tree diagram you have to take first disc blue, second disc also blue. That is 4 by 5, 4 by 5, and it needs to be multiplied because blue and blue, it's multiplication. 16 by 25. This is the probability of picking the two blue discs. Question number D is over. Question number 8 now. Question number 8a. Find the area of this trapezium. So in trapezium the two parallel sides are needed and the height is needed, which is already given here. Use that to find the area of trapezium. Area is equal to half into height into a plus b, they are parallel sides, so half into height is 5.4 multiplied by 8.2 plus 12.6. Put this in calculator. Half into height is 5.4 into bracket open 8.2 plus 12.6, 56.16 centimeter square. That is the area unit. Question number A is done. Question number B. The area of this triangle is 15.3 centimeter square. Find the value of B. Now area is already given in this. Area is equal to half into base into height. So we know the area, which is 15.3, and half into base we don't know, and height is 4.5. Using the transposing method, let me flip the equation first. Half into b into 4.5 is equal to 15.53. If I keep b here on the left hand side and bring the remaining on the right hand side, this gets multiplied and this gets divided. So 15.3 multiplied by 2 divided by 4.5. Do that in calculator. 15.3 into 2 is equal to divided by 4.5 is equal to 6.8. So the base is 6.8 centimeters. 6.8. B value is only 6.2, so no need of writing centimeters here. Okay. Question number C. A circle has a circumference of 558.6. Find the radius of this circle. Now we have circumference given here. So circumference value formula is 2 pi r is 58.6. Using this, find the value of r. So 2 pi will be divided with 58.6 is equal to, find out using calculator this also, 58.6 divided by 2 into, let us use the bracket here, so 2 into pi, 9.3264. So this is the value of r, 9.3264 centimeters. We need to find the area. We need to find only the radius. So round to the 2 decimal places. 9.32 will be 9.33 centimeters. This is done. Question number C. Now D. The diagram shows a rectangle with 2 semicircles removed. Calculate the shaded area. Okay, we have 2 semicircles removed from the rectangle and we need to find the area of the shaded part. So area of the shaded part is area of rectangle, area of the rectangle minus area of 2 semicircles. So area of the rectangle is length into width, 28 into 12, minus area of 2 semicircles will be pi r square. Pi into what is r? R is 12 by 2 whole square. Find out. 28 into 12, 336 minus pi into, find out the area of semicircle. There are two semicircles, so we'll find the circle, one circle area, that's it. So r is the half of this diameter, the diameter is 12, so half of the diameter is 12, 12 by 2 I am doing, that's why. So pi into 12 by 2, open the brackets, 12 by 2, close the bracket, square, pi r square is equal to 113.097. 113.097. Find out the answer. 3336 minus 113.097, 222.903. So we'll write 222.903. So that is 222.9 is the area of this shaded part. Question number 8 is done. Question number 9. A line L has a gradient of 4 and passes through the point 0, 3. Write down the equation of line L in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So when the point and the gradient are given, how to find out the equation? We need to use y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. Now what is m? M is the gradient given, this one. Y1 and x1 are these values. So use this rule here. Y minus 3 is equal to 4 into x minus 0. This gives you y minus 3 is equal to 4 into x minus 0 is x, so 4 into x is 4x. Now bring this 3 on the right hand side, so y is equal to 4x plus 3. This is the equation in this form, mx plus c. This is the answer, 4x plus 3. Question number B. Line G has the equation y is equal to 2 minus 6x. The line G passes through the point A and phi, that is x coordinate is A, y coordinate is phi. Find the value of A. So when a line passes through the point, if you substitute the values, it has to satisfy. Now y coordinate is phi, so you taking the equation first, take this equation. Now in place of y we put phi, and in place of x we put A. Now flip the equation because we need the value of A. Then next bring the constant on the other side, keeping minus 6, 5 minus 2, then minus 6a is equal to 3, then bring minus 6 on the other side, it gets divided by 3, so a will be minus 1 by 2. A value is minus 1 by 2, or you can also write minus 0.5. This is question number B done. Question C now. Complete the table of values for y is equal to x square minus 6. Now we have been given the table here, all the values are given except minus 3, 0 and 3. You can use calculator or you can also do without calculator. So y is equal to, x value is minus 3, take minus 3 in brackets, square it, minus 6. So minus 3 in brackets squared, it becomes 9, 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. So this is 3. Okay, then next 0. 0 square minus 6. So 0 square is 0, 0 minus 6 is minus 6. So answer is minus 6. Next is 3. 3 also you will get the same as you got here, because the minus and positive or negative, anything, it will be same value when it is squared. So this is 3. The table is completed. Question number C1. Question number C2. On the grid, draw the graph of y is equal to x square minus 6 for minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4. So for this I have already done this, students, on the other app, and I made the video. I'll put the video in the description. You can go through, and this is the graph I have got after marking the points. This is the graph. Now related to this graph, we have 2 more questions here. Question number 3, you see, write down the equation of the line of symmetry of the graph. Now line of symmetry is a line which exactly passes through the center of the graph. So this line of symmetry, when you see here, it is the y-axis. This is the line which is going through the center here. See, it's y-axis. So y-axis is what? What is the equation for that? It is x is equal to 0. Then use your graph to solve the equation x square minus 6 is equal to 0 for x greater than 0. Now x square minus 6 is equal to 0. That means y is 0. That means y is equal to 0 line is what? This x-axis. Okay. So now here on y-axis this graph is crossing at what? It is crossing at 2 point 1 2 3 4 5. So one box is 0.2. So 2.4 it is crossing it. Y is 0 and 2.4 is the x value. So it is 2.4. You can write here 2.40. So x coordinate is 2.4. That's all, students. The paper is done. Thanks for watching. You have any doubts, you can comment me. See you in the next video. Please do subscribe to my channel. It gives me motivation and I can make more and more videos. Whatever ideas you want me to make videos for, please put them in the comments box. See you. Bye bye.